Good morning. It is Thursday and I'm coming at you from a basement. I spend a lot of time organizing basements. And right now I'm working with several people who are moving and downsizing, and so you can imagine that I have been spending time in basements getting those things organized. So I wanted to come at you today with 3 super simple tips to help you when you are sorting items either in the basement or really anywhere in the house. Now, we organizers use lots of fun tools when we are working with clients. What I'm going to show you is by far the simplest tool that you can use when you are organizing and sorting a space. Are you ready? It really is the easiest thing. It is the Post-it note. Now, I know that this doesn't seem all that exciting, but believe me, a lot of my clients that I work with are visual learners. And so what we do is we sort all of the things into different categories, and I put Post-it notes on the wall above each of our categories. So that is tip number 1. If you are a visual person, use your Post-it notes to delineate each space into different categories that you are sorting. It really helps. Now, the second thing is keep your categories very broad. So your categories should be books, clothes, household items, holiday, whatever you want to do, but keep them super broad. Later on down the road, you can create subcategories if needed, but right now, you don't want to have 100 Post-it notes up all around your space with very specific categories. Keep them broad. So 1, Post-it notes. 2, keep your categories broad. The third thing is, and honestly, this is probably going to be the easiest thing I have ever said, different colored garbage bags for your recycling and your garbage. So what I do is I have white for my recycling, black for my garbage. And the reason is I cannot tell you the number of times I've had to reopen a bag when I'm putting something in and ask, is this the recycling or is this the garbage? And that's wasted time. Different color bags makes it so simple and easy. Recycling for one, garbage for another, boom. So that's it. 3 super simple things to help you with your sorting. Now I got to get started with organizing this basement. Thanks for checking in today. Have a great day. Bye.